Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm gonna tell you that how to make the first website which is required for basically for your client. So for your client you can make a website, and in this video I'm gonna tell you that which languages or files you have to make to show it to your client to make a proper website. For example, HTML is used for basically for making styles, and HTML image for structure. CSS is used to give styling to the web page, and JavaScript, the language, programming language used to give logic for the website. It's the most popular programming language you can use to make websites. So here I am gonna make a folder in my desktop folder named as YouTube video 2. Okay. I will open it in the VS Code. So here you can see that I have my folder is open in the VS Code. So I will create index.html. After that, style.css, not cs. I will add style.css. The next one, script.js. So first of all we will come on the index.html. Like this. I will put a boilerplate of an HTML. Here I will give the title for this web page named as e-commerce store. So here body tag will display all the content. We will add here Vacode, so it will display it on a web browser. So first of all you need to install two extensions named as live server. Install this one extension, I have already installed, and second is live preview. Install this extension made by Microsoft.com. For the purpose I will going to tell you. Here I will write h1 hello guys. Okay, I will click here. So here you can see the output live in the VS Code also, and if you click over here and then click on open the browser, so you can see it is in the browser. So the basic requirement I'm gonna tell you that you should have the zoom set to the 100 to have the clear view. So minimize it, close it. Now I'm gonna link CSS file here at the bottom. After the body tag, this file with script.js file will always be linked at the end of the body tag, and the link style.css file will be entered after the head tag. So here I will type script:/src script.js. This file is ready for me. Now both files are concluded in this folder in this index.html. Now index.html will lead these both files. Now to give styling to this hello guys, which is showing over here, so I will go in style.css folder. This control space, no suggestions. Why no suggestions? Leave it. M0 P0 box heading border box. I will tell you later about these three properties, but you also enter. So next I gonna style the h1. H1 is a tag, so I will write directly h1. Color set to red. Font size give it 100 pixels. Margin give it 50 pixels. Now you can see that it has taken color red, color font size 100 pixels, and also have some padding from margin from these both sides. So what's the margin? I will tell you later. Now to style a div, for example here I will write div means division in HTML. I will give it class means name of this div. You can give this name to multiple divs. I will give it div.box, div class equals to box. Now to style the box div name as box, I will enter dot box, then curly brackets, width set to 100 pixels, height set to 150 pixels, and bg color, main background color, set to red. Here you can see this div, and if you want to give a div name, you want to give the permanent name to a permanent div. For example, you will add div you add id will be permanent for just one div. No other div you can give this id, so it will permanent for one div. Now I will add id name as box1. Now to style the id, I will add hash by pressing shift and 3, box1, then curly brackets, and then width 500 pixels, height also 500 pixels, background color set to red, text color set to white, and margin 80 pixels. See this div. Now this is div. I add some here. This is a class div, and here I will add this is a id div. Like this, you can see this is a div name as class, this is div name as id. So this is simple styling you can add. Now next is script.js. What the script.js will do, it will provide logic to our website. For example, in the when we move to the script.js, I will tell you it briefly, but now here you can say that console.log, hey, I am from Altum Code family. Now to preview this output, you will go into this file, index.html, click here, right click, and then click on inspect. Here you can see upside elements. Then after the console, if it not come, you will click on here, so you can click on console easily. You will go in the console. So here you can see this output, hey, I am from Altum Code family. So this purpose the console.log file will do. It will provide each and every logic to our website. So our website is based upon these three: HTML, CSS and JavaScript. On the advanced level, on the industry level, you can use React and Next.js for developing your websites, but now we will study just about index.html, script.js and style.css. Now index is the main file. Script.js you can name as it any name, for example harry.js, john.js, for example p10.js, everything you can name it as this file. So I hope that you will like this video. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe, and comment down about your requirements of projects, so I will be take these projects as my upcoming videos. So goodbye, Allah Hafiz.